big story. Actor Rhea Chakraborty being taken to Mumbai's Baikulla jail a day after she was arrested on drug charges related to the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Now she's been sent to jail for 14 days during a video hearing by a magistrate who rejected her bail last night. But the 28-year-old is expected to request a sessions court for bail today. She spent the night already at the Narcotics Control Bureau office last night. Now these visuals are of her being brought to the Baikulla jail this morning. Baikulla jail is the only prison for women inmates in Mumbai and currently has the some high-profile inmates including Sheena Bora, murder accused Indrani Mukherjee's already there. Now, Rhea Chakraborty, of course, has been charged with organizing drugs for her boyfriend Sushant Singh Rajput, the Bollywood star whose death on the 14th of June is currently being investigated by the CBI. There's no mention, though, in the court papers of her using drugs. She faces charges that could lead to up to 10 years in jail. All right, let's go right across to our reporters joining us with the very latest on that story. Saurabh is outside Baikulla jail. Arvind joins us from here in the national capital. Saurabh, to you first. What happens next?
Well, Rhea Chakraborty is going to be here at the Baikulla jail till, of course, she gets bail. And her bail plea is likely to be moved in the Sessions Court sometime this afternoon. Now, this is, of course, a women's jail, the Baikulla jail here in Mumbai, and it actually is houses women inmates. It has several famous inmates also, but at this point, Rhea Chakraborty will be here till the time her bail plea is heard and a decision is taken on her bail plea. If she gets bail, she will be released from here, but till that time, she will have to remain in this jail, which is a jail for women, the Baikulla Women's Jail here in Mumbai. It is also it's for under trials as well. So obviously this is a jail where people in judicial custody are housed, and this will be her place of stay till the time the Sessions Court, which hears her bail plea and decides on the next course of action.
Saurabh, stay with us. Arvind, tell us in a little more detail. Remind us of what exactly the Narcotics Bureau is saying at this point about how Rhea Chakraborty used to manage finance for drug procurement along with Sushant Singh Rajput.
Ankita, the Narcotics Control Bureau in their remand application has called Rhea Chakraborty as an active member of a drug syndicate in connection with the drug supply. So that's a big allegation the Narcotics Control Bureau has leveled against Rhea Chakraborty. So on what charges the agency is leveling this allegation is that the agency is saying that Rhea Chakraborty was very much aware of the drug procurement that was happening for Sushant Singh Rajput, and in some instances she was also managing the finance for the procurement of drugs. So it is based on this particular ground the agency is calling Rhea Chakraborty as an active member of the drug syndicate. So what is the evidence? What are the evidences on which the agency is leveling these charges? Right. One, they have recorded a statement of 3 individuals, arrested individuals in this particular case, including Shovik Chakraborty, who is the brother of Rhea Chakraborty. So all these 3 individuals' statement, the agency is relying on, saying that these 3 individuals have given a statement saying that all these 3 individuals procured drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput, and in several instances, Rhea Chakraborty gave instructions to procure such drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput, and she was also managing the finance for the procurement of these drugs. So this is the main, these 3 statements are the main evidence the agency is relying on while leveling this particular charge against Rhea Chakraborty. But one very important point is that though the agency is accusing Rhea Chakraborty of procuring drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput, but the agency is not saying that Rhea Chakraborty consumed these particular drugs. In fact, the agency is saying that she procured these drugs and she was also managing the finance, and that's why the agency is saying that she has been arrested. So the agency also went on to say that because the investigation is at a preliminary stage, and that's why they want her to be sent to a judicial custody, and also because whatever the questioning was to be done with Rhea Chakraborty has already been done, and that's why the agency did not press for the police custody. Right.